Sir, can you tell me where is the document? I'm not able to see again.
Have you downloaded the material?
Yes.
Extracted?
Yes.
Okay, could you please share your screen? I will show you. I will go for practical. Data model practical. This is the material. What to do? I will continue with running nodes, D drive batches, 7 p.m. June. What is the running nodes? Data model practical. Our first step, ensure the relationships between tables automatic. So while extracting data, system will take some relationships, ensure the relationship between tables are proper, comma. If not, establish proper relationships as per the decision made. Your team decision, based on the team decision, establish relationships. Also, identify active, inactive, and bidirection columns. Full stop. Establish relationships. But where do we do all this? This all we do in the data model view. This is the area we do that. First, where is our file? File. 2 days ago or 3 days ago, I worked on it. 7 p.m. June. Is this the file? Yes? Shall I click on it? Okay. Go to relationships. How it should be usually, I'll show you in this material. Student to fact table, location to fact table, user to fact table, course mode to fact table, course to fact table, institute to fact table. This is the way relationship required. This is the way relationship required. In this way, ensure the same way relationship available. Go to this. Course to course ID. Okay. Location to location ID. Okay. Course to course ID. Perfect only. Series. So no need to establish. But before that, sorry, the font is very small. I want to increase. Look at this. There are a couple of options available. This is for zooming. Right now, 66%. And this is for reloading, not refreshing. And this is for viewing all the objects in single page. Click on it, fit to page. This is fit to page, all in a single page. Course ID, course ID. I will minimize this. Location to location ID. Correct. I'll minimize it. Date to date. Minimize it. But one important thing here, I want to make date table as a role playing table. What type of table? Course to fact table, you understood, correct? Now date to this, I'm explaining. Date to date is connected. Now I want to make this as a role playing. That means this date I want to take into one more date, inquiry date. And this is inactive relationship. I will connect date to join date. This is inactive. This is inactive. This is also inactive. And this is active. Now it is a role playing. I will minimize this. 2 dimensions successfully connected. One normal, one this. Now next one. So many tables available. Unnecessary tables. I want to remove. I'll take student table. Student table to fact table should be connected. Student ID is a connection. Let's look at this. Student ID. Place here. Next. Location table. Okay. Course mode table. Ensure the relationship is perfect. Mode ID connected. If it is not connected, we need to connect. Otherwise, you need to accept the same. So if you're not able to locate, click on fit to page. See how I'm working on. Take this table. I'm placing this. Take this table. Take this table because of fit to page. Expand it bigger. Institute ID, I want to connect. Institute ID, Institute Y. Is it already connected? Institute ID. Where is Institute ID? Institute ID. Can't this Institute ID? Institute ID. What it is saying? Many to many, maybe something wrong. So institute table, institute ID, fact table, institute ID. Why many to many? Something wrong here, that's why it's connecting many to many. It should not be like this. So this is wrong. We need to identify. No problem. User table, user ID to user ID. Not connected, connected. One to many. If you closely observe, all the dimensions having relationship with the fact table, one to many, single direction. And take the previously explained situation. Date table, date table. Where's the date table? This is a date table. Usually we take date table like this. Year wise, student, this is a student table. Year wise, student addresses count I want. Then I told you date table will contact fact table. Fact table should contact student table. This is student table. So click on this link, make it bidirection. Cross filter right now single, make it bidirection. Practically very simple. Not only direction, even filtering both the ways required. Click on it, okay. Filtering both the ways available. Yes, filtering both the ways available. This is bidirection. So role playing created, bidirection completed. Right now, which one is active? Date to date active. But I want to make join date, enquiry date active. How do you do that? Click on it. Make the relationship inactive. Okay. Active relationship you're making inactive. Now, enquiry date I want to make active. Click on it. Make active. Okay. Done. So as I'm having experience, I'm able to drag and drop properly. What if you don't have knowledge? I'll go to this. I'll make relationship inactive. Even date to date not available. I want to connect and make it active. See, date to date not connected, but I want to connect and make it active. Proper way. Drag and drop is experienced way. But normal layman way is right click on this table, manage relationships. Click on that. Take fact table. Where is the date column? Not available here. Where is the date? Not available. Click new. This indicate inactive. Right now, these are connected and these are all active. Wherever tick mark available, those are all active. Now click new. Select tables and columns that are related. I want a date table, date column. I want fact table, date column. Where is the date column? Highlight. Date table, date, fact table, date, highlight. Cardinality. Cross filter, date to fact table, single direction. Make active. Make active. Click OK. Click close. This is active. Working well. So either drag and drop or by graphical way, right click, manage relationships, you can do that. Remaining options normal only, selecting column, delete from model, deleting the query, hiding in the report view, mark as a date table, collapse all, expand all, very normal options, nothing great. So right now in this situation, we have multiple tables, all are connected to fact table. And it right now it's looking like a snowflake schema. Which schema? Fact table surrounded by dimensions, but location dimension having master dimension. And because of this reason, this is called snowflake. What do you call it? Snowflake. Snowflake. Successful. Now what next? Once you establish relationships, the next topic is, see, this is the one. Next part is C. Work on each table properties. In the real time, some companies spending more time only for the modeling. If the modeling is good, your report visuals display accurate data. So more time they spend. As part of it, they will go to each and every query like this. They'll go to properties, this area. They will mention the properties. Fact table, name is fact payments. Description, this has measures data. So measures and dimension differences. Synonym, fact payment, fact payments, payment fact. Row label, key column not required. You want to hide this? No, I don't want to hide. Is a feature table? No, it's not a feature table. Advanced level, import mode. So the table mode is import. How do you see what type of mode a table has? Two ways. Go to data set level, click cursor, place cursor, it will show you what is the mode. That is one way. Second one, go to model view, go to property of the table, you can see the mode. Two ways you can see the mode. First way, data set level, placing the cursor. Second way, come to model, see. And one more question. How do we change a particular table mode only? I don't want to change complete all tables mode. A particular table mode only I want to change. How can I change? Very simple. Just go to storage mode and change whatever the mode you want. Okay. Changing mode is possible. I told you it's not that much easy. Changing from import to direct query. Manual operation required. Direct query to import is easy. Mixed mode to import is easy, but not import to direct query, import to mixed mode. Fine. This is one table and majorly I mentioned name, description, synonym. That's it. I will go to student table. This is important table. Dim student. Enter description. Students information. Synonym, dim student, student dim. Row label. This is important. First name is a label. Key column. Student ID is a key column. Why, sir? We will identify you based on your name, but your name is not the actual identification. Your student ID or enrollment number is the actual ID. I will call you by name, but not ID. Even in the organizations, on the card level, they will display name only, but back end, the key is your employee ID. The same thing here. So row label indicate the label which you want to see, and key column indicate the column which is unique for you, the value which is unique for you. And next one is hidden. No. Is feature table? Yes. If you make feature table, the advantage is it is discoverable in Excel level. A wonderful point. If you make a table as a feature table, the table available in the data area of Excel, as a data table, I'll show you. So these are the three settings I took. So now this is suitable for feature table. If you make a table as a feature table, the result is this. This is Excel data types gallery. Here is a place, data menu level, your table available. Right now, dim student I mentioned as feature table. So dim student available in this area. So what is advantage? Quickly, the analyst use a table and do the respective operations in the Excel level. While analyzing, analysts can go directly and they can do the respective operations. This is a data types gallery and table availability. Understood? So like this, and any other properties available? Student table, feature table. Advanced is normal. Like this for each and every query we do in the real time. This query, every query, it is compulsory. This is feature setting to every table. Next, after feature setting to every table, we'll go to column settings are properties. Column settings are properties. We will work in the real time. Go to this. I will go to fact table. This is one column. Look at the properties. Name available, description available, synonym available, display folder, is hidden, data type, format, percentage format, 1000 separator, decimal value, advanced level, some more options available. Sort by, data category, summarize, is nullable, multiple options. So these all options I'll explain at a time tomorrow. So today, data model theory successfully completed, and then we started data model practical, where existing relationships are used sometimes, and sometimes relationships are not proper. So we established a relationship manually. And then we made a schema, Snowflake schema. Later, we came to one by one query, mentioned properties, and then decided to go for column properties. That is pending. So we'll continue with column properties tomorrow. It's a step-by-step process in the real time. Got it? Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Good night.